welcome back to my channel. It's Makeup by Drexel here. If you're new here, welcome. So today's makeup is based around this fun music festival inspired makeup. I want to create a really colorful look and something where we can add lots of glitter and jewels because why not? So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, keep watching. But first, you guys already know the drill. Before we get to saying, we gotta get to praying, so repeat after me. May our foundations always match our necks, our concealers be creaseless, and our wing eyeliners be sharp enough to kill. Amen. Okay guys, so I already went ahead, did my eyebrows, did some foundation and concealer. I put some baking powder and I actually cut it on the sides so that way when I'm doing my eyeshadow I can go ahead and already have like that defined area for underneath the eyes. And then I went ahead and I used my NARS Medium 1 Custard Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I went ahead and primed my eyes. So I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab that yellow color. I'm going to go ahead and actually tap the shadow onto my crease so that way I get a really bold color payoff, and then I can go ahead and use the same brush and buff out any harsh edges. Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take Desert Vibes, and with the same MAC 224 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and buff that right over the yellow color that I just applied. So to build up a more dramatic crease, I'm going back into the Huda Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some of this color right here. Take the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm going to start in the outer corner. Okay, so what I went ahead and I did is I used my Real Techniques Detailer brush. It looks like this. And I used some of my concealer to go ahead and cut the crease. So I want to go ahead and I'm going to do this eye so that way you can all see what it is that I am doing when I cut my crease. So again, let me go ahead and zoom in for you guys. With the point of the brush, I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to mark the highest point. So that is my cut crease, and what I want to do is I want to go ahead and take either my pinky or my ring finger and I want to tap out any excess across my lid. That way I can get more of an even surface. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dig in my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette with the color Beamin'. So I'm going to just go ahead and take Beamin' and I'm going to place it right in the corners of my eye, and I'm placing the shadow slightly past the center of my eye. And right back in to my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I'm going to start off with this color. The brush I want to use is going to be my Morphe M507 brush, and tap it right into the corner. Then I'm going to move down into this pink, same brush. So I'm going to take the shade Euphoric, and then I want to marry the two with a shimmer color because there is such a straight line between the matte colors and the shimmer colors. And I'm just going to marry the gold and the pink shadow. So pretty. Go back in with my Morphe M507 brush, this guy, and I'm gonna grab Fun to See, and I'm actually gonna buff this into the corners because I want some depth in the corners of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna dust off all my baking, I'm gonna add my eyeliner, and I will be right back to do the under eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna work on the bottom. So I bought this Sephora, it's a colorful eyeshadow and eyeliner. It's matte and waterproof. This is number 39, my boyfriend's jeans. I'm really excited to use this, so let me go ahead and swatch this for you. It's very creamy. It's very bright blue. I think it's absolutely perfect, especially for festival season. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my liner, and I wanna start really close to the lash line. Go ahead and I'm actually gonna start diffusing. Now I know that it's blue, and you're more than welcome to keep it blue like this or smoke out with any type of blue shadow underneath, but what I actually want to do for this is I want to go back in with that purple shade that I used in the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, that Fun to See color, start buffing this into the blue liner, and go back in with my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to take those two pink colors, this color right here and this color right here, and I'm just gonna mix them underneath my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and I want to take that blue pencil one more time, and I'm actually going to line the inside of my eye. This Too Faced Life's a Festival palette actually comes with a highlight in there, and it's called Unicorn Tears. This is it right here. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. It's absolutely amazing. It's almost like a lavender and pink mixed. There's the glow that we want. So I'm just gonna wrap it around. Okay, so now that I got the highlight and everything on, I want to go ahead and I'm going to take some of my Aqua 4 Healing Ointment. I'm going to take a little bit on the end of my brush, about that much, and I'm actually going to go ahead and scrape it onto my palette. So it's going to look something like that. And then very gently, you're going to put a clean damp beauty blender into it. I'm gonna go right over my highlighted area. The key is to control this product. You don't want a ton of it because you don't want it to start breaking up your makeup. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some glitter and I'm gonna actually put it onto my palette, and I'm gonna pick it up with my sponge. Actually gonna start pushing it into my skin. I'm gonna change my lashes really quickly, and then I'm gonna put on my lip as well, and then I will be back to show you guys the last and final. For the last and final piece, which I am super excited about, I feel like it just wraps it together with this glittery highlight and this nice bold eye. So first things first, the supplies that you're gonna need are, you need some Duo, some clear eyelash glue, and then some jewels of your choosing. I happen to choose some stars, so I got some on my palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use some clear Duo. This is what I'm gonna use to go ahead and glue these down to my skin. I put some on the back of the jewel that I want to use, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my tweezers, and I'm gonna go ahead and just begin applying them. So I want my first one to be right in the center. Now the key with this, just like eyelashes, is that you want it to almost be dry. If you guys are allergic to latex, try to find a latex-free, formaldehyde-free glue, because Duo does have latex in it, so that's really important to keep in mind as well. Okay guys, so that is going to conclude today's Coachella inspired makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look with you guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. All of my social medias are linked in the description box, as always, alongside all the products that I use. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I hope that all of you guys are having a good week, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!